using the item extension wizard mode, sourcing assignment. We have generated a new sheet with the sourcing assignment template using this button, Create New. And now we're going to enter new sourcing assignment using the user form. The yellow fields are mandatory here. Choose an organization, an assignment set. You can search for an item. Use the wildcard percentage to do a partial search, then click on the dots to perform the search. You can also delete sourcing rules. Create as many rows as needed like this using Excel functionalities like copy-paste, VLOOKUPs. To accelerate your data entry, you can also use the default values row. You can, of course, override this default value with something different on certain records. When your dataset is ready, you can either validate the dataset only. This won't process anything to Oracle, it will just validate within the workbook. Or you can choose Validate and Upload. It will start with validation and upload the valid records in Oracle. Then you can upload a selection, highlight the rows you would like to upload, or upload all to upload all rows in the current worksheet. The sourcing assignment were successfully uploaded in Oracle. You can also delete sourcing assignments. First, download some existing assignments using the item or the assignment set. Then highlight the criteria you want to download and use the button Download via Sheet. The wizard will retrieve all the assignment set matching the list of criteria you've put here. You can then delete some of these sourcing assignments by entering yes in this column. Then choose Upload Selected to process these rows. These sourcing assignments were successfully deleted.